Mahalo everyone, and welcome to another unboxing and review. My name is Royal Savior and I'll be your QA reviewer today for today's product. The product we are reviewing today is the Sennheiser's HD1 wireless headset, brought to you by, or subcategorized as, the Momentum series. So let's dive into this review. Let's get that bread. So right away you have an encasement for the headsets themselves so you can carry it around safely. And one of the main reasons why I got this headset is because of the neckband, which is a nice sport in black color with corded earbuds. Now I could have got other wireless earbuds that didn't have the cord or the neckband, but I was very unsafe about the decision of getting those, just in case it fell out of my ear and I would lose the earbuds. Now, later on in the video, I'm going to test out the quality of the headsets themselves, how far it can go, the connectivity, and how long the battery actually lasts. So on Sennheiser's website, this headset or headphones is all about momentum and the inspiration of creativity, which I personally like. So down below we can see the technical data, and the frequency range of these are around 20 Hz to 22,000 Hz, which is excellent for music that has pretty deep bass. So here we're gonna pair it up with Bluetooth onto my dance Shrew MP3 player, and we're gonna test the connectivity, and then in the next part we're gonna see how far the attenuation for these headsets are via Bluetooth. Now, about the battery life, these headsets claim to go up to at least 10 hours of music playback, and I would say that it actually holds true, because I would use these at work since we are permitted to do so as long as we do our work, and I would use it for a majority of the 8 hours at work, and usually at the end of the day it still has 2 hours left, and then when I do need to charge them, it only takes at least 1 to 2 hours for a full charge. Now at this point in the video, I'm going to show you just how far the range is via Bluetooth from the source, which was approximately 640 feet of distance. Finally, after having used the headphones for at least a month, I would say that the overall build quality is phenomenal, as there's no signs of tearing or decaying of the cords and neckband. To end this review, I believe these headsets are a great buy, so don't forget to check out the description, click on that link, like, comment, subscribe, and you have a fantastic day.